Making restaurant quality Paneer Tikka Pizza at home is way easier than you think, and I am about to show you how. In this video, you will learn how to make a delicious Paneer Tikka Pizza with a pizza base using 100% wheat flour. Trust me, this is gonna be a pizza experience you won't forget. Alright, start by taking a warm water, honey and dry yeast into a bowl. Give a good mix and rest it for 10 minutes. Now sieve a cup of wheat flour and add it into a bloom yeast followed by some salt and a teaspoon of oil. Mix them together and knead the dough for a few minutes. Use warm water if required while kneading. Trust me, this process is a key. Kneading is very important. So knead it well till you achieve a soft dough. And then place it in a greased bowl to rise for an hour. Now let's prepare Paneer Tikka toppings. You will need yogurt, a mix of spices like turmeric, red chilli powder, salt, garam masala, cumin and coriander powder for that authentic Paneer Tikka flavor, a ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of lemon and then toss in the paneer cubes. Many people struggle to find innovative ways to use paneer. It often ends up as a side dish or in a curry, but it deserves to shine in a whole new way. This recipe aims to solve that by transforming it into a delicious pizza topping. If you are tired of the same old pizza flavors and want to impress your taste buds, you have come to the right place. Combining the creamy texture of paneer with the spices of tikka is the answer to your culinary boredom. Plus, this dish is super easy to make and you won't believe how quickly it comes together. Now add in 1 cubed onion and tomato in the same mixture and give it a good mix. Let it marinate for 30 minutes if time permits. Now it's been an hour and the dough has fully proofed. See, it's almost doubled in size. Punch it and take it out on the pizza pan. Tuck it softly and start giving it a pizza shape this way. You can even roll it on the dusted kitchen floor, but I am doing it on my non-stick pizza pan itself. And it's done. We will again rest it for 10 minutes for final proofing. And here we go. Let's whip up a quick pizza sauce. Just blend some tomatoes, garlic and a hint of olive oil together. Spread that sauce generously over your pizza base. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Layer on that marinated paneer and colorful veggies on the top. Now here comes the key moment. Pop that beauty into the oven and watch it transform into a mouth-watering dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tasty ideas and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear about your pizza creations and any twists you might add. Until next time, happy cooking!